Hello there, Taylor with a Maltiempo report. We have things to talk about today, so we will be doing just that, or something of the sort. Pero primero, hablamos en español sobre el tema de esta tormenta tropical. Tormenta tropical Raymond. Raymond fue un huracán, pero en el momento es una tormenta tropical. Este es Raymond. Sí, por aquí creo que es el ojo o algo por aquí también. Y Raymond tiene peligros afectando tierra, lluvias y peligrosa resaca o resaca peligrosa o algo así. Y según el SMN, este sistema puede producir inundaciones, encharcamientos y más. Y lluvias y más lluvias es la verdad es toda la verdad. Y por aquí en el Golfo de México hay una zona de probabilidad de 10% en el momento y también de 10% en los próximos 5 días. Esta zona podría ser la futura tormenta tropical, Melissa, pero probablemente no. Probablemente no es correcto, no sé. Y esta es tormenta tropical Lorenzo. Y creo que Lorenzo está demasiado lejos de la Tierra y no tiene peligros afectando Tierra. Creo que sí. En el noroeste Pacífico hay este tifón Francisco y esta super tifón super. Es Lekima. Lekima es el equivalente de un huracán de categoría 4. Es un huracán. Es un tifón grande, muy grande por aquí. Por aquí. Este es Francisco y este es Lekima. Según el JMA, en las áreas del mar hay avisos de tifón por aquí y de tormenta por aquí, de gale por aquí. Y en las áreas de no sé, hay avisos de olas altas, avisos y advertencias. Avisos y advertencias de tormentas eléctricas y gale. Y sí, avisos de olas altas es la verdad. Y por aquí en el Pacífico Sur hay una zona de probabilidad, según el Fiji, es una zona de muy baja probabilidad, baja probabilidad. Y en el Índico Sur hay una zona de probabilidad, según el JTWC, de mediana probabilidad. Y esta zona está moviendo por aquí, de Madagascar, hacia Madagascar o algo así. Y esto es todo. Eso es todo en español para hoy. So we go back in the same direction. So this thing that was up as high as a Category 3 Hurricane Raymond is now down to a tropical storm. In fact, if you look at the satellite image, it seems to be kind of difficult to tell. I think this is where the center of circulation is, but it's just kind of turning into a cluster of things. But of course, that's when you can often get the worst rainfall from a storm, is when it kind of falls apart a bit. And according to the SAMN, there's still the probability of flooding and waterlogging, if I remember. Oh, and mudslides, there's lavies, yes. And according to things over here, according to the NHC, obviously, again with the rainfall and then the dangerous surf conditions. So, yeah. And then over in the Atlantic, have this area of 10% probability at the moment, and then 10% in the next 5 days. It could be the future tropical storm Melissa, but probably not. And then we've got tropical storm Lorenzo, who's all the way over there, and I'm pretty sure Lorenzo is far enough away from any land masses out here, to be a danger to land. But these things, there's big typhoons. We've got Francisco and Lekima. And then, according to the JMA, for the marine warnings, there's typhoon warnings there, storm warnings there, some gale warnings, near gale. And then in the land houses, warnings for high waves, and then also advisories for high waves in pretty much all parts. And yeah, so that is what is happening with that area. And then this thing that I believe got up to as high as medium for the JTWC. Now it's just Fiji is calling it a very low chance of tropical cyclone formation, so that thing never did turn into anything officially. And then for the JTWC, medium chance still on this one. So that is what is happening in the land of tropical cyclones, which is quite a bit. Stuff all over the place. Well, actually, that's not true. Nothing down there or down there. Those are not very traditional areas for you to get anything anyway. But yeah, otherwise, stuff all over the place. Yes, it's quite true. And in news where stuff isn't happening at all, U.S. severe thunderstorm weather, green today. Green across the board and then predicted to stay green for the next few days. So, taking a break. But oftentimes, Dixie Alley, late fall / winter, you can have a tornado outbreak of sorts. That's why you keep paying attention. Yes. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.